Welcome to the installation guide. In this video, we will show you how to install CASAFLEX safely and correctly. Please pay close attention to the instructions on marking, cutting, removing the jacket, and properly positioning each component. These precise instructions will help you to carry out the installation safely and professionally, ensuring that CASAFLEX connections remain tight and durable. To install the CASAFLEX connection unit, first mark off a line on the outer jacket at a distance of 200 mm from the pipe end. Then make a cut into the external casing with the saw all around the circumference. Saw through the expanding mesh as well. Now make a longitudinal cut along the jacket from the marking to the pipe end. You can now lift off the jacket with the screwdriver and pull it off by hand. The expanding mesh overlaps opposite the monitoring wires. Use the screwdriver to remove the expanding mesh where it overlaps too. Now you can remove the foam and expose the monitoring wires. Secure the monitoring wires to the outer jacket using adhesive tape. Mark off a distance of 50 mm from the outer jacket on the foam for DN20 to 32 and 70 mm for DN40 and 50, and saw off the outer jacket, foam and corrugated pipe completely at this point. Now prise off the foam with the screwdriver, taking care not to damage the corrugated pipe. Warm up the pipe from inside using the hot air blower and clean it by using a stainless steel brush. Then remove all dust from the corrugated pipe. Preparations are now complete and you can start with the installation of the connection unit. First, screw the pressure ring onto the corrugated pipe for sewing. The flat side must face the pipe end. Please maintain the prescribed distance between the front edge of the pressure ring and the end of the foam. For PN16 connections, 35 mm for DN20 to 32 and 45 mm for DN40 and 50. For PN25 connections, 50 mm for DN20 to 32 and 60 mm for DN40 and 50. Secure the pressure ring with adhesive tape for this. Now saw off the pipe in a straight line starting at the pressure brake. For this, start at the troughs of the corrugation. After that, unscrew the pressure ring again. Use a half-round file to remove all burrs from the end of the corrugated pipe until it is quite clean. Please take care when doing this, not to damage the pipe either inside or outside. Next, remove any smaller filings with a brush. Now screw the pressure ring back onto the pipe end and screw it with the flat side up the corrugated pipe as far as the foam. Next, screw the backup ring into the corrugated pipe. Now adjust the pressure ring with the help of the connection piece. To do this, hold the connection piece up against the supporting ring and screw the pressure ring back on the corrugated pipe until there is a gap of 0.5 mm between it and the connection piece. Now push on the graphite sealing ring as far as it will go over the supporting ring. The supporting ring must just still be visible. Now push the connection piece over the graphite sealing ring and the supporting ring. Smear some graphite paste on the thread of the Allen screws before you tighten them. The connection piece and the pressure ring must live flush against each other. The installation of the plastic cap, PN16, and the sheet metal cap, PN25, can be found in the respective installation instructions. And with that, the installation is complete. For further information, or if you have any questions about the installation, please contact Brugg Pipes directly. Our staff will be happy to assist you.